What's up, YouTubers? It's me, Nick, here to give you this week's top 3. This week is top 3 favorite foods. My top 3 favorite foods in no particular order is a cold salad, a tuna salad. It's basically like tuna with little macaroni rings. It could have celery in it and eggs and hard-boiled eggs, stuff like that. It's delicious. My mom makes it usually for me. I'm not even sure how to make it myself. It's like a special treat that I get every so often. I know, yes, my mommy still makes me food sometimes. A lot of times I actually like to eat it with like cheese balls or something. Like I put some cheese balls and I'll eat a cheese ball with a scoop of that. It's yummy. My second favorite food is these croissant wrapped hot dogs with cheese in them. So good. But basically you can do anything. You could have a regular size hot dog, or sometimes I've even done the little cocktail wieners. Basically you just put a little bit of cheese on the hot dog. If I do a full-size hot dog, I cut a slit in it, stuff a little cheese into the hot dog, and then wrap it with a croissant. Make a bunch of them, bake them, and voila, done. Delicious. Dip it in ketchup. It's so good. But that is definitely top 3 material. So, third favorite food is cheeseburgers. Burgers in general. I love cheeseburgers. I could probably have a cheeseburger every single day. I've pretty well perfected making cheeseburgers. I like them well done. And I know some people are like, you can't have a good cheeseburger that's well done. I say you're wrong, because I don't want blood in it. I don't want any red. That's disgusting. How anybody can eat that, that's beyond me. I like it cooked, but I can make a good cooked one, and it is delicious. It's so good. Just any cheeseburger though. It can be any cheeseburger. It can be even a crappy cheeseburger that you get at a gas station, and I will still think it's delicious. Any cheeseburgers. So cheeseburgers. So, what are your top 3 favorite foods? Let me know in the comments below. I'd like to hear them. I'd like to hear what you guys like to eat. What's your favorites? This is definitely a category that's all over the place with everybody. So let me know your top 3 favorite foods, and maybe I will make them for you. I will totally make them for you. That would be fun, wouldn't it? I will totally make them for you. Anyways, like, subscribe, share, all that jazz, and keep YouTubing it up! So, what's up, YouTubers? Hey, YouTubers. And